Hello everybody. Today we shall discuss about the applications of linear equations. We begin with a simple example. Sum of two numbers is 74. One of the numbers is 10 more than the other. What are the numbers? We have a puzzle here. We do not know either of the two numbers and we have to find them. We are given two conditions. One of the numbers is 10 more than the other. Their sum is 74. You already know from class 7 how to proceed. If the smaller number is taken to be x, the larger number is 10 more than x, that is x plus 10. The other condition says that the sum of these two numbers, that is x and x plus 10, is 74. This means that x plus 10 is equal to 74 and it comes to x is equal to 42. The desired numbers are 32 and 42. Their sum is indeed 74 as given. Also, one number is 10 more than the other. We shall now consider several examples to show how useful this method is. What should be added twice to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? Twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 is 2 into minus 7 by 3 is equal to minus 14 by 3. Suppose x is added to this number gives 3 by 7. So x plus minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7, and here it gives the value as x is equal to 107 by 21. Thus 107 by 21 should be added to 2 into minus 1 by 3 to give 3 by 7. The perimeter of a rectangle is 13 cm and its width is 2 whole 3 by 4 cm. Find its length. Assume the length of a rectangle to be x centimeter. The perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus width, that is 2 into x plus 2 whole 3 by 4. That comes to 2 into x plus 11 by 4. The perimeter is given to 13, therefore 2 into x plus 11 by 4 is equal to 13. I get the value of x as 3 whole 3 by 4. Therefore, the length of the rectangle is 3 whole 3 by 4 centimeter. Now, example 7. Example 7 here you see is example 7. The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. After 5 years, their ages will be added to 66 years. Find their present ages. Let Sahil's present age be x years. We could also choose Sahil's age 5 years later to be x and proceed. Present age is x, mother is 3x. Age after age 5 years later, that is x plus 5 and 3x plus 5. The sum is 4x plus 10. It is given that the sum is 66, therefore 4x plus 10 is 66. This equation determines Sahil's present age, which is x years. To solve the equation, we transpose and get the value of x as 14. The Sahil's present age is 14 years and his mother's age is 42 years. You may easily check that 5 years from now the sum of their ages will be 66 years. Now example 8. Example 8 here you see is example 8. Example 8. Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. If he has in all a sum of rupees 77, how many coins of each denomination does he have? Let the number of 5 rupee coins that Bansi has be x. Then the number of 2 rupee coins he has is 3 times of x, that is 3x. The amount Bansi has from 5 rupee coins, 5 into x, that is 5x. From 2 rupee coin, 2 into 3x, that is 6x. His total money he has 11x, but this is given to rupees 77. Therefore 11x is equal to 77 and the value of x is 7. That is, the number of 5 rupee coin is 7 and the number of 2 rupee coin is 3 into x, that is 21. You can check that the total money with Bansi is 70 rupees 77. Now example 9. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Find these multiples. If x is a multiple of 11, the next multiple is x plus 11. The next to this is x plus 11 plus 11, that is x plus 22. So you can take 3 consecutive multiples of 11 as x, x plus 11 and x plus 22. Right? It is given that the sum of these consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. This will give the following equation. The x plus 11 plus x plus 22 is equal to 363. X plus 11 plus x plus 22 is equal to 363. 3x plus 33 is equal to 363. 3x is equal to 363 minus 33, or 3x is equal to 330, or x is equal to 330 by 3. That is x is equal to 110. Hence 3 consecutive multiples are 110, 121, 132. We can also see that we can adopt different ways to find a solution to for the problem. We'll solve question number 10. Here the difference between two whole numbers is 66. The ratio of the two numbers is 2 is to 5. What are the two numbers? Since the ratio of the two numbers is 2 is to 5, we may take one number to be a 2x and the other to be 5x. Note that 2x, 5x is same as 2 is to 5. The difference between the two numbers is 5x minus 2x. It is given that the difference is 66. Therefore, 5x minus 2x is equal to 66, or 3x equal to 66, x equal to 22. See, the numbers are 2x and 5x. Therefore, they are 2 into 22, that is 44, and 5 into 22, that is 110 respectively. The difference between the two numbers is 110 minus 644 equal to 66 as desired. Now, example 11. Cbse has a total of rupees 590 as currency notes in the denominations of rupees 50, rupees 20, and rupees 10. The ratio of the number of rupees 50 notes and rupees 20 notes is 3 to 5. If she has a total of 25 notes, how many notes of each denomination she has? Let the number of rupees 50 notes and rupees 20 notes be 3x and 5x respectively. But she has 25 notes in total. Therefore, the number of 10 rupee notes equal to 25 minus 3x plus 5x equal to 25 minus 8x. The amount she has from rupees 50 notes, 3x into 50, that is 150x, and from rupees 20 notes, 5x into 20, that is 100x. And from 10 notes, 25 minus 8x into 10, that is 250 minus 180x. Hence the total money she has 150x plus 100x plus 250 minus 80x is equal to 170x plus 250, or 100, but she has 590 rupees. Therefore, 170x plus 250 is equal to 590, or x is equal to 2. The number of 50 notes she has is 3x, that is 6. The number of 20 rupees notes she has 5x, that is 502, that is 10. And the number of 10 rupee notes she has is 25 minus 8x, that is 9. In this way, you can solve various problems with the help of linear equations. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.